Constitution के मतुंग इन्ना लेबाक ngakadabani adubu hojik Manipur da fundamental rights khangde rights to movement leite amadi rights to life ki wahanthok leite masi mayam asi miyam da phanghanba ama changi haina Manipur University ki head oibata natana Center for Human Rights and Duties Education Manipur University ki director in charge oina thau puriba Dr. Yumnam Premananda Singna Fongdokre ngasi Manipur University ki Law Department na senduna Constitution Day 2025 Samvidhan Divas ki palan thorom galoinana Manipur University Constitution Club Department of Law gi sangabagi thorom pangthokre thorom aduda Dr. Yumnam Premanandana makataraduna ngasi haiba numit asi lising amaga chamapan nifumapanda India ki Constitution asi adopt tawkhibani Dr. Bhim Sahibrao Ambedkar na luchingba timna draft tawraga matamdugi Constituent Assembly da Pangthoklaga close by close debate taunaraga adopt tawkhibani adopt tawkhiba aduna ngasi thoram pangthoklibasi constitution value mayam asi India ge citizen khudingmakna khanghanbani preamble da yauriba India si sovereign socialist democratic republic ni haibasima miyam da justice equality liberty fanghangadabani haibasi yauri constitution da fundamental right mayam ama yauri article 395 yauri constitution of India si 22 part ta khaidoi aduga schedule Taranitho yawi haibasi khanghanba mathoktai haiki Department of Law amadi Central for Human Rights and Duties Education Manipur University ga khutchamnaduna pangthokiba thoram aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra Singh Manipur University ki Registrar Professor Dr. Moirangthem Premjit Singh amadi Department of Law Manipur University ki Head oibata natana Center for Human Rights and Duties Education Manipur University ki Director in charge oina thau puriba Dr. Yumnam Premananda Singh na sarukyakhi
Constitutional value haiba targa de preamble yawiba India si sovereign socialist democratic republic ni haiba simaga adi justice phangangada ni mi singsi justice haga social economic and political justice adi equality amasung liberty fraternity si phangangada ni haiba si preamble da yawi aduga constitution of India sina akoi part 3 da fundamental right mayama piri aduga article 395 yawi aduga constitution of India si 22 part khaidui schedule 32 yawi and masi mayam ji khangan bagi poni khangbada kale haiba ta ga ye khoi leibak ngak pai basi constitution di pathap ma khada ngak ka that is called governance by the constitution of India for rule of law is kai mati ui go so hai law sababu and constitution ji paring matungina khoi leibak ngak ka da ni haina khanje